Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-star owners using Montana's UST database. So I'll start by sharing this blog post on Convenience Talk, and the reason is this page has all the links to the UST databases, and they're organized by state. And so if I go down to Montana and I click on this link, it'll take me to this page. And so pretty much you have the option of downloading a PDF or an Excel. And so I downloaded the Excel list and brought it up in Google Docs. And then I added a filter, and the filters are added from up here. I picked locations that had 3 or more tanks, and I think I maxed it out at 7 or something like that. And so it kind of gives you a good list in terms of facilities, but that's pretty much what you'll get is the facility name, the number of tanks on site, and how many are inactive, and how many are active tanks. That's it for Montana. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.